What if your creative tools actually listen to you? With Cephable, you don't have to fight through menus or memorize shortcuts. Just say it, cut here, undo that, switch layers, done.
Export project.
Here are just a few of the many creative ways that people use Cephable every day.
First, let's turn on our Cephable microphone. Add next layer. Grab next layer. Pre-compose. Type PC motion graphic text. Enter. Graph editor. Easy ease. Graph editor. Play. Stop. Trim composition. Add render.
It works across the apps you already use, keeping you in flow while your edits keep up. And because Cephable runs on your device, your work stays private. No
Enter.
lag, no cloud detours.
Gradient. Enter. Transform. Enter. Add drop shadow. Quick export. Type thumbnail.
Your ideas move fast. Now your tools do too. Control, create, and automate with Cephable.